Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling materials and choosing a scale. This lets you stay precise as you draw. First, lightly block the main silhouette, a rectangular base, a central cylinder, and a dome top, because shapes give structure. Once done, subdivide the cylinder into thirds for doors, controls, and windows. Make sure to mark a horizon or perspective vanishing point to keep angles believable. This step sets proportions and prevents rework later, so take a moment to adjust lines before committing. Next, focus on mechanical detail to sell the time machine as believable. You add panels, rivets, and hoses, explaining why each appears. Vents for cooling, coils for energy, and a control interface for human interaction. Once these basics are placed, layer elements to build depth, foreground pipes over mid-panels and a frame in the back, so viewers see a readable hierarchy. Make sure to adjust for shortening on circular parts and align bolts to the vanishing point, because consistent perspective maintains realism. Finish by committing to line weight and shading to convey materials and depth. Darken structural edges, add softer shading on rounded surfaces, and include bright highlights on reflective metal. Once done, introduce a faint glow or energy core to communicate function and draw the eye. If something looks off, step back, compare proportions to your initial guides, and correct only the offending areas. This targeted fix avoids losing detail while preserving what worked. Practice one revision cycle to learn faster next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.